So this is my bike, and quite happy with these new lights I bought. They're rechargeable and they remember their last mode. That's good. But the overall problem with my bike is that, okay, I haven't cleaned it, but if it was clean, um, this metal coating on this Jammers bicycle, it's very dull and and very difficult to clean. I've rubbed it a lot and still these dark marks on it, which I can't seem to budge. They almost look like oil or something, but they seem quite embedded. So I'm making this video so that you can maybe recommend me a cleaning product available to me here in Singapore. And that would greatly help me make my bike a bit more spick and span. Not sure what could be done about that. If you can see that, maybe the contrast is it's too dark in the dark, isn't it? That also needs a polish. I need new grip tape too. This stuff didn't last very long, less than a year.